Shivoham. Now the entire world is suffering with one cause, COVID-19. So many people, most of the countries are affected by this particular virus. People are trying to be safe. Governments are also trying very hardly to protect their people. But still day by day, virus is growing. It is spreading like anything. It is taking mutation, and there is no race and region which are untouched by the virus in the world. From last couple of months, the cases are growing rapidly, and so many people are thinking that when this COVID-19 is going to decrease, people are so much anxious about this particular point, exactly when it will be invisible. So all the people in the world are fighting with the invisible enemy. So our common enemy is the COVID-19 nowadays. But I'm sure with the Lord Mahadev's grace, we will definitely win the battle and throw away the virus. Our forefathers, they have faced so many epidemics like this, like cholera, plague, etc. At that time also, so many people infected. Those people fought with the particular viruses. They washed away all those viruses. Now also, with the Lord's grace, we will definitely win this battle against the COVID-19 because now the medicine got more achievements, more advanced drugs are available now, and so much of research work is also taking place to face this particular virus. But this virus is spreading like anything. Even the developed countries also are facing so much of problems because of this virus. Highly developed countries like America, Europe, Australia, all these countries are now taking so much of measures to restrict the virus. Regarding the virus, whatever the allegations made by President Donald Trump are correct as far as the astrological readings are concerned. In this particular episode, I want to share my astrological readings about the planet position of COVID-19. While analyzing the planetary position, I got some readings. That means I analyzed some points there. So those points I want to share with you. And frankly saying, these are the assumptions only. Please do not take this one in a negative way, because astrology is mainly meant to create the ray of hope. So here I am going to share those readings with you. Whenever a particular person gets problem, astrology will tell when the problem is going to end and what are the negative effects of the problem. In the same way, the astrological predictions will also tell when the COVID-19 is going to end before it vanish. What is the disaster we should face? Day by day, number of cases are increasing, and these cases will keep on increase. These cases, even in the coming month of August, these cases will keep on increase. In 2021 year also, these cases will keep on increase. In the first half of 2021, the cases will surge like anything because of the planetary position. So many medicines will enter into the market. Even few vaccines will also enter into the market. But still in 2021, the virus is uncontrollable. Some vaccines will be effective, but because of the mutation of the virus, they may get void. As the virus is having nearly 10 types of forms, so proper vaccine we can expect only in 2022. In the first half of 2022, that means from Jan to May, in between that period we can expect the proper vaccine for all types of mutations, for all forms of the virus. That particular vaccine work for the people and the virus will be reduced by that time. In the year 2021, there may be a chance one person in each family will be affected in few countries. 2021 will be the troublesome year in three formats. One, because of the spreading of COVID-19. Second one is tumble in the economy. And third one is the battle among few countries. So these three problems are major in 2021. In 2022, around May, we will get the proper vaccine for the COVID-19. So till then, the graph line will grow like this. It will be in the upward direction. In 2022, the graph line will get flat. There won't be growth in the cases. From 23 onwards, that means 2023 and 24, the graph will fall down. So these cases are going to decrease from May 2022 only. Once the ever-waiting vaccine comes into the market in the May 2022, then slowly it will start penetrate into the world. So gradually, as all the countries receive the vaccine and it will supply to the people, mostly governments and some of the private sectors will jointly distribute the vaccine. By 2024 December, we can expect that most of the cases will be cleared off, virus will be cleared off, and the earth will again revitalize from 2025 onwards. We can expect the normal life from 2025. Till then, our duty is to protect ourselves, to stay safe in this difficult situation. We should prepare for this battle in three ways. One is the physical, another one is the mental, and third one is the spiritual. Physical wise, we should be very healthy. We should do the proper exercise and yoga to maintain our health in the good position, and mentally also we should be balanced. So physically strong, mentally balanced. We have so many mantras to protect ourselves. Some mantras are given in the Yoga Bhatistam and Sitalastakam, Dhanvantari, Mahamrutyunjay mantra, Stotram. So many mantras are available to recite, otherwise to chant. Trayambakam Yajamahe mantra is there. If you read that one, that is also very powerful. If you don't know all those things, just simply chant Om Namah Shivaya, Shiva Shadakshari mantram. That will also protect you. I made this video not to scare, but to alert you to face the COVID-19. Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu.